Hi everyone. Today we are drawing Bingo and Bluey family sleeping time. So let's draw together. First we are drawing Bingo. It is 5 years old. Second I will draw Bluey. It is 6 years old. He loves playing so much. Now I am drawing Bingo's dad. He is looking tired. His name is Bandit. He is an archaeologist. Now I am drawing Bingo's mommy. Her name is Chili. She is doing her job in airport security. Draw the marker to make this picture more visible. Bingo is brown. Bluey is blue.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb.
Dad is also blue.
Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Mommy color is light brown.
Followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love
If you like this
Mary
video,
so?
please like, share and
Mary so,
subscribe. See you
Mary
in the
so.
next video.
Why does the lamb love Mary